Oh, you mean it's just brake?
Yes. Oh. I don't have the.
No, I thought you meant.
I thought you
meant. Like it did in free wheel. It didn't have anything. So that's what I meant. I realized that.
Same spot last night.
What?
This spot right here.
Oh.
See what I'm saying? Top heavy. I keep hitting that spot in my tires, knocks that out.
That's the 110.
And once you get in that hole,
it looks like a TRX is turned upside down.
Yes.
But just not quarter. That thing's cool, man. When you lift the body off, the magnetic connection.
Yeah, the lights and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. They're doing some. I wish like TRX or TRX. I wish tractions and axial shit would make.
I bought it because I wanted a 12 rig and I was like $329. I was like, cheap.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't like the blue one. The blue one is brushless, and I just like the color. It didn't look like a Toyota color.
No.
So I went with this one. I was like, all right. Once I changed the motor and stuff and add some more weight down at the bottom, she might be a little good. So right now, she just don't like that. That line right there. That line fuck. Oh,
That had a hold of that back tire pretty good.
that line fuck.
Yeah.
Everything's deteriorating quite a bit.
Yeah, I get stuck right there because there's nothing for me to grab. Yeah, my strong.
You don't have a strong one.
Yeah, I do.
The rear dropped off the axle.
Yeah, sitting on the axle.
But if you get the blue one, it's like 469 and brushless. It has portals, 2 speeds, locking discs and stuff. But I don't like the color. It don't look like a blue Toyota color.
Yeah.
This one right here with the stripes and gray, I was like, that one right here is a real cool one.
I had it. No, I had it, and then I let off and shouldn't have. But I let off and shouldn't have. Had I stayed in it, it'd have pulled itself up. You can't let it fall off like that. Don't have this coming.
Drop off in that hole, you're done.
Yeah. See, the little truck, I just went all the way up the stick and just dropped off the other end.
Mr. 30% overdrive, watch me.
Huh?
There's the track.
Probably didn't do it.
Really?
Yeah. First you made it with cheese, right? No, that's when I got in it, I let off and it slipped. And if I kept on going, it would have been out.
Whoa, got slippery up here.
Woo! I don't know if you caught it, Rick. I made it.
Oh, no, I didn't. You need to come around and do it again.
There's no way you could
look at that.
I guarantee you'd make it up there. I'd be shocked if you did.
Yeah, didn't necessarily mean to go that much throttle.
Probably the only way to get it up there. There you go.
Yep. Whoa! See a little bit of reverse kick.
Back up a little bit.
Good try, dude. Good try.
There we go.
He's like, I can't do nothing. And I take that in the book and now I'm walking and everything.
You just had the wrong crew.
I learned the hard way not to buy a bank that brand new. I just buy used.
Better off.
I bought a set of F10 portals. Brand new. Cost me like $300 and
And it was a hard body.
And they didn't even come with a steering wheel.
The trick is just don't let the front fall off. There you go. I mean,
And then I found out nobody makes an overdrive more than 10% for the
Hey, Dad, I am
introduction.
so scared that I'm going to break my arm.
You're not gonna break it.
I wouldn't.
We've driven the past couple days, you ain't gonna break it.
you're blowing up pine needles between the weight.
I'm scared.
Come on.
We have some traffic.
At least if it rolls over, it looks good doing it. Whoa, whoa.
Well, yes.
Come on, man. Stay.
Yeah, adjust a little bit, get a little more steering angle out of it.
What servo is that?
Go ahead and go drive around the Bronco. I'm waiting to run the Apex through here.
Direct power servo for this one. I did something real stupid. I had a
Although now my
We're gonna do
Apex
a
probably
different-
won't get in there.
I'll go back and do it again. You gotta go higher, bro. Keep your right tire right there, and you'll be all right. There you go. Turn down too much. There you go. There you go. Yep. One that kind of stuff.
I like that bed on that X-Ray. Are the shock towers built into the bed?
No, they're separate. It just fits
It
close
looks
enough
like
together. It looks like it's one piece.
That's sick.
It's all rock fiber shit. I just haven't done the rock yet.
I'm trying to. Do you know if anyone makes a micro servo winch mount for it? I know you can put
I'd
a
have to
full
do some
size
research,
one. I'm gonna have to do some looking because I've got a brand new 99 micro winch servo.
Yeah, go higher on the tree, Albert. You get it.
It's gonna look like you're about to.
Whoa! No.
Hey, Daddy.
Too heavy.
I know.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
It's top heavy.
You scale tough stuff with
Yeah.
Winch.
You need some steel brown
Hey,
things.
Dad. I know I couldn't make.
Come up here and then turn in. Maybe it won't pitch you so bad.
Made it look cool.
It looks good, for sure.
Still need to adjust a little bit here and there. Get some more steering angle out of it.
Go to just cut the stops off.
Yeah.
Yep. All I did was
I don't know if the Bronco
I
can
bought
do
the
that
brass
without
rings
the
for the
stick.
front of mine. He did real good job, just like you see it.
What, the stance? Oh yeah. I picked that one up from Josh the other day, man. And I was really surprised with how well it actually does.
They killed me. They call it a 475 tire. That's a 5-inch.
Get close to the tree. Get real close to the tree.
I got the Jimmy.
There you go. There you go.
With Portal House, he got that stance. All right. And the stance don't make that there somewhere.
I can't see.
All right,
Monster
Clark.
truck in mine.
I see that.
We're
I
not
saw
trying to
that. I
make
was like,
baby
why are my
teeth.
tires in the air? Because
We're not trying to make baby teeth.
I didn't realize Albert had backed
Nope,
up.
sure. And I think that one, turning radius is way better than that one with the servo and axle.
I think this thing's just going to get swallowed in that hole.
Yeah, you almost need a stick. Well, maybe. Maybe. Oh, there it is. Didn't you have different tires on there? Rick, that time?
These are the.
Oh, you had the.
These are the stock
little
tires.
ruptures.
Yeah, I had the little ruptures.
Yeah.
Which, since I've extended the wheelbase, I was out here yesterday with the Red Cat Fusion. Of course, it walked everything, but it couldn't get on that log. It's too big.
trying out the new Trail tires.
Oh.
The Trail Buster or whatever.
I ordered some DJ Crawler.
Yep.
68 millimeter pins for this thing on one end.
I love that.
I need a picture total.
I like how the kids actually walk the line.
Yep.
They're walking the course.
Hey, they did the trail both ways.
Yeah. Back up, bro. Oh. There you go.
I'm not gonna make it.
Think about trying out.
I came in too late. It's not.
I tried to get up on
There
the
we
main
go.
log yesterday.
There we go.
Red Cat Fusion is just too big. But I didn't think about what you're doing. You're a nerd.
That is such a fun little balancing act. I got you if you roll. Oh.
Flopped.
Keep it, turn as far toward the bank as you can.
That's all I got. I got to cut the little
Oh, the steering
ram
wheel.
in the front. Yeah, I got to chop it down some to get a little more angle out
You're
of
gonna
it.
fall a little bit forward. Just let it fall. There's a rock right in there. Maybe it'll go back.
Nope.
I don't know if you can hit that rock on that
Oh,
bottom
no.
tire.
Pick itself up.
Yep.
Or it might just fall in more.
Fresh scratches
It's hooked
that
on a
cage.
root down there right there.
Yeah, with it, yeah.
Yeah.
See, I was still playing with the 18 scale. You could literally come almost straight out
Yeah.
onto the log and then drive up the other.
What shocks are those, Charles?
Red Cat. Had the internal springs, took the internal springs out, put mini T-springs on it so it sits.
Just had to carry it, the front end to get it in there.
Huh?
I'll carry it the front end to get it across the gap.
Yep. It's an echo, is all it is. I just pulled it here. Dropped off too soon. Careful now.
Guess not. You said too soon, my ass.
And those tires, the sidewalls are super thick. Off the rim, you could almost go like this. Poke your finger through the sidewall. But that's why they work so good out here.
That's no joke. Spent 30 minutes out here last night in the dark trying to figure this fucking line out.
Very small. I think it fit on your leg.
And yeah, there is a line down behind me. I'll do it again.
Love watching the tires.
Come on, float.
There's almost no dirt left on that one tree down there where I was able to get up the side with the belly dragging radius.
There you go. I can't wait to see the video of that one.
Whoa! Not sure I had the camera on you the whole time.
No, you did the first time.
Okay.
Move the whole boat.
think there's enough sticks left there for me to get down. I don't know. Let's see. Woo!
Oh, you made it.